Dan the Natural Man Show. Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good week. If you're not having a good week, I guess good news is we are almost done with the week. If your week was good, that's great. If it wasn't so good, I hope you have a good weekend. Today I want to make a quick video of how simple it is to get healthy, start to improve your health, and have the health of your dreams. If you listen to me any amount of time, you know the first step I'm going to talk about is the whole food plant-based diet, the low-fat, whole food plant-based diet. But why do I always talk about this diet? Well, first, my first teacher, Dr. John Christopher, he was a herbalist back in the 20th century. And he was helping people heal from all manner of diseases and get healthier. And his first and foundational protocol was a whole food plant-based diet. Well, now in the modern era, the more modern era, the 21st century, we have other doctors that are using this diet to heal their patients. Dr. Esselstyn, Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn, Dr. John McDougall, Dr. Neil Barnard, Dr. Joel Fuhrman. There's many more that I can't think of or I don't even know. But these doctors are using this same diet to heal their patients of diseases that were supposed to be incurable. For example, most doctors believe and still believe that heart disease, and heart disease, by the way, is still our #1 killer, but most doctors believe that this disease, once you develop it, it keeps progressing no matter what they do. They could do bypass surgeries, they could do stents, they can give you cholesterol lowering drugs, they can give you blood pressure drugs, blood thinners. But from their observations, the patients keep getting worse because this disease is progressive, has always been known to be progressive. But now it is known by doctors like Dr. Esselstyn, Dr. John McDougall, that the whole food plant-based diet, not only can it prevent you from developing heart disease in the first place, but it can also stop the heart disease from progressing, and in many cases some of the arterial plaque starts to go away. Because once you deprive the body of these animal fats and these vegetable oil fats, the body starts to use its own fat, the body fat and the fat in the arteries, it starts to burn it up. Dr. McDougall found this out in his practice. He's worked for a hospital, and he would put his patients that had severe heart disease, he would put them on a plant-based diet. And he had buddies that were radiologists, and they would, from time to time, look at his patients' arteries. And they were confirming that the arterial plaque was indeed starting to shrink and get smaller. Within days, they found that if you had angina, within days, the angina pain would start to decrease on a plant-based diet. And they were finding the plaque in the arteries starting to decrease. They were also finding people were starting to develop better exercise tolerance. If you have a lot of plaque in your arteries, if you start to exercise, you will get shorter breath, you may get chest pains. After a few days on the plant-based diet, your exercise tolerance starts to get better. The body, you have to understand, the body always wants to be healthy, it always wants to heal, and if we get out of its way and give it what it needs to heal, it will start to do that. Other benefits of the plant-based diet is it lowers inflammation in the body. Inflammation is one of the drivers of our chronic modern diseases. The plant-based diet does a good job at taking care of this. Excuse me. The plant-based diet is also really good at feeding the bacteria, the good bacteria in your gut. Our guts are the command center of our health. 70% of your immune system is in the gut. Your gut is responsible for producing hormones and helping to produce melatonin, serotonin, all these feel-good hormones, dopamine. We have to have a good, healthy gut. It's the command center to keep the body healthy. In order to keep it healthy, the body has to have fiber. The body uses fiber to keep the gut bacteria healthy. That's another reason the plant-based diet works so well. It also can help you if you have a lot of inflammatory pain, like arthritis. This diet can also help you decrease that pain. So that's the foundational protocol, the plant-based diet. The second thing I would say is, of course, use your herbs for detoxification, but also use herbs for your specific problem. So, example, if you're having angina and your exercise tolerance is not so good, hawthorn berry can help increase your exercise tolerance, help lower your blood pressure, help lower your cholesterol. Cayenne pepper is another herb that will also assist your body in getting rid of the plaque in the arteries. It helps the heart beat harder, helps lower the blood pressure. I could go on and on about the benefits of cayenne pepper. It's called the master herb for a reason. Number 3, drink plenty of water. You have to drink plenty of water. I recommend at least 96 ounces of water a day. The body is always performing chemical processes to keep us healthy and keep us alive. But the medium where these chemical processes take place is water. The body is 75% water, so we have to stay properly hydrated for the body to function properly. I think we're on number 4. Number 4 is sleep. Sleep is so important. It's so important. You can be doing the best things ever during your day, but if you're not sleeping well, you won't get max benefits. So look at sleep as the seal on your paint job. All the things you're doing during the day, eating your delicious plant-based meals, getting relaxation, exercising, all these things. When you go to bed at night, sleep is when your body makes hormones, detoxifies, heals whatever needs to be healed. It keeps your blood sugar stable. It keeps your blood pressure lower. All these wonderful things happen. But if you don't get enough sleep, the opposite happens. So sleep is very important. The next thing would be exercise. A good routine of moderate intensity exercise. We're talking about riding your bicycle, swift walking, jogging, elliptical, swimming, anything you like to do. We're also talking about strength training, using weights, dumbbells, barbells, body weight, bands, machines, whatever you like to use. And working with weights that are heavy enough to build your muscle, but not so heavy you're going to hurt yourself or cause your body undue stress. The other thing I want to talk about is relaxation. You have to make sure you relax throughout the day. It's good to have at least 2 10-minute sessions every day where you do deep breathing and you clear your mind and you just take your mind off all your troubles and you relax. This helps your body heal. You need these sessions. It helps lower your cortisol. It helps lower your blood sugar. It helps lower your blood pressure. So all these things I've just talked about, plant-based diet, herbs, exercise, sleep, water. If you do these things religiously and really religiously, in 6 months to a year, you won't believe how much healthier you will be, how much leaner you'll be, how much better your blood work will look. Because look, guys, we only have one body. And I'm trying to help people, I'm trying to teach people how to keep that body healthy for a lifetime. It is possible to keep it healthy for a lifetime. You can have a long, healthy life, and throughout your life, you'll have a healthy body to do it in, okay? And bonus tip, I don't know, some of you guys may be religious or not, but I do believe that prayer and believing in a higher power is really, really important to stay healthy and happy. And there are studies out there now showing people who pray, people who go to religious services are usually healthier, happier, and get sick less often than people that have no system of faith. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. If you like the video, please like it and share it. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my page, DanTheNaturalMan.com. And remember, until next time, keep it natural.